Hi there, I'm RJ. In this video, I'll show you my final project for CS50p, Introduction to Programming with Python. So what I built here is a point of sale system that I specifically designed for my brother's newly opened FoodHouse, a small restaurant. And this is a simple POS, but it took 300 lines of code to finish. It's because we used a GUI library here called Custom Kinter, which takes lines of code to build its frames and buttons and text box, etc. But it looks pretty, so here is how it looks. And we can also open it in full screen mode. And it also has dark mode, which we can switch on the fly, so cool. So on the left side, we can see here the categories of menus. So each click will show you the menu items accordingly. So let's try to order. I want some pasta. And as we click the button, it will be displayed on our right selected item screen. Oh, I changed my mind. I don't want ramen anymore. There's a remove item button here, which removes items one per quantity. So each remove button will remove one only. If you want to remove everything, there's a reset selection button here. Okay, I made up my mind. I want Ramune again. So let's check out, which give you payment options, either pay with cash or pay with card. Let's try paying with cash. I only have 100. Oh, didn't accept. Maybe 110. Oh, come on. Just 10. After 3 invalid inputs, the system automatically exits. Now let's try carbonara. A friend came by and treated me, and let's check out. He has a lot of money. 1,000. And here it shows you your change and a thank you message. Let's try to pay with card. Just another thank you message. It doesn't actually work. Soon, hopefully. So after a successful transaction, we have here a sales.text where your sales are automatically written, automatically generated. So for my brother, he won't. This will be helpful for him to keep his records easily and safely. And the order buttons are easily customizable, since you just have to update this menu.json file. Here is the category buttons, and below are the menu items. So just update this according to this pattern, and it will update your buttons and menus accordingly. So that's it for my project. I hope it will pass. Thanks, guys. Thanks, Sir David.